Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today I am going to teach you the 8th lesson in Sanskrit. Vakya Rachana. How to make simple sentences in Sanskrit. This lesson is for 6th standard. Okay children, see here. First, Balaha Patati. Balaha Patati means what? Balaha means boy. Patati means reads. Boy reads. Balaha Patati. Boy reads. Abhishekaha Namati. Namati means what? Bow. Abhishekaha Namati. Abhishek bows. Abhishekaha Namati. Then the third one. See here. Abhinavaha Kridati. Kridati means playing. Krid dhatuhu. Kridati means playing. Abhinavaha Kridati means Abhinav plays. Abhinav plays. Then Saha Pashyati. Saha means he. Actually it is a pronoun. Saha Sarvanama Shabdaha. Tat Shabdaha Pumlingaha. Prathama Vibhaktihi Ekavasanam Saha iti Rupam. Saha means he. Saha Pashyati. He sees. He sees. He is seeing. Then Hamsaha Tarati. Hamsaha Tarati means swan is swimming. See here. Hamsaha means swan. Tarati means swims. Then the next one. Vanaraha Kurdati. Vanaraha means what? Yes, correct. Monkey. Vanaraha, monkey. Kurdati means jumps. Then here you see Mayuraha Nrityati. Nrityati means dances. Mayuraha Nrityati. Peacock dances. Then Kokilaha Gayati. Kokilaha means what? Cuckoo bird. Yes, correct. Cuckoo. Cuckoo bird. Cuckoo. Gayati means sings. Then Sanchitaha Chalati. Chalati means what? To walk. Okay. Sanchit walks. Then see here children. Chhatraha Likhati. Chhatraha Likhati means what? See here. Chhatraha means student. Likhati means write. Student writes. Then Balika Hasati. Balika means a girl. 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 Hasati means laughing. Girl is laughing. Otherwise, girl laughs. Then Sarita Bahati. Sarita means river. Vahati means flows. See here children, actually in this lesson you have to see which gender these words belongs to. First you see here. Balaha, which gender it belongs to? Yes, you are right. Pumlingaha. Pumlingaha. Balaha is belongs to Pumlingaha. Pumlingaha means masculine gender. Then Abhishekaha, same, Pumlingaha. Okay, which Vachanam it belongs to? What is the number it belongs to? Yes, you are right. Balaha belongs to singular. What we say singular in Sanskrit? Ekavachanam. Yes, Ekavachanam. So, if you take a sentence, you have to split into two parts. The one is noun, the another one is verb. This is the noun, this is the verb. So, Balaha patati. Balaha means boy, patati means reads. So, then you have to go into the details. What is the root shabda for the word Balaha? What is the root for the word patati? See here. Balaha. You take this word for example. Balaha. How we will say? Akarantaha. Why we have to say Akarantaha? Because if you say take this Bala Shabdaha, in this Bala, in the last letter, if you split the last letter, it will come like this. Il plus A. So, the last letter is A. So, what we have to say? Bala Shabdaha belongs to Akarantaha Pumlingaha. Okay? Likewise, you have to say, take Abhishekaha. Abhisheka Shabdaha Pumlingaha Akarantaha. Okay, kana? Then you take this dhatu, Patati dhatu. See here. Patati. If you go into the details, Pat dhatuhu Lat lakaraha Prathama purushaha Ekavachanam. Pat dhatuhu. Pat is the root word for the patati. So pat dhatuhu. Dhatuhu means a root, a kriya padam, a verb. Pat dhatuhu. Lat lakaraha means present tense. You know pretty well, in English you have three tenses: past tense, present tense and future tense. Likewise, in Sanskrit also we have 10 tenses. In that, lat lakaraha means present tense. Lat lakaraha means present tense. Lat lakaraha present tense. What we say present tense in Sanskrit? We say it as vartamana kalaha. Vartamana kalaha means present tense. Then for past tense, bhuta kalaha. For the future tense in Sanskrit, bhavishyat kalaha. In this lesson, we are only seeing the present tense. In that present tense also, we are seeing only the lat lakaraha. In that lat lakaraha, we are seeing only the first person, prathama purushaha ekavachanam. See here children. I will read once. Balaha patati, abhishekaha namati, abhinavaha kridati, saha pashyati, hamsaha tarati, banaraha kurdati, mayuraha nrityati, kokilaha gayati, sanchitaha chalati, chhatraha likati, balika hasati, sarita vahati. Likewise, if you come here, this part, mata pachati. Mata pachati means, mata means mother, pachati means cooks. So, mother cooks. Okay, mother is cooking, mother cooks. Then Chataka kujati. Kujati means chirp, chirping. Chataka means sparrow. Sparrow chirps. Sparrow is chirping. Okay. Then Garima khelati. Garima is a girl. Garima, a name of a girl, like Sita, like Mala. Garima is a girl. Khelati means plays, playing. So Garima khelati means Garima plays. Then see here, Kamalam khilati. Kamalam khilati means lotus blooms. Then Vahanam chalati. Vahanam chalati means vehicle moves. Then the next word, Amram patati. Patati means to fall. Amram means mango. Mango falls. Mango falls. Then Jalam Bahati. Jalam Bahati means water flows. Vanam Asti. Forest is there. There is a forest. Okay. Then Radha Vadati. Radha Vadati means Radha, a girl. Vadati means speak. So Radha Vadati means Radha speaks. Okay, children. In this part, what you have to know is, in this part we have seen some Pullinga Shabdas. Here some Strilinga Shabdas. Balika, Sarita. These are ending with A. Akarantaha. Strilingaha. Likewise, here Mata belongs to Strilinga Shabda. Chataka, Chataka. So Strilinga Shabda. Garima. Strilinga Shabda. Kamalam ends with im. So the basic concept is a word which is ending with aha, 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 uhu, uhu, ihi, ihi. It all belongs to Pumlinga Shabda, masculine gender. A word ends with the pronunciation a, e, u. These all belongs to Strilinga Shabda, feminine gender. At last, a word ends with im, im, im. These shabdas belongs to Napumsakalingaha, neuter gender. So here, Kamalam, Vahanam, Amram, Jalam, Vanam, all these shabdas belongs to, yes, correct, neuter gender. At last, Radha Vadati. Radha belongs to Strilinga Shabda, feminine gender. Okay, children, I hope I taught this lesson correct to you. I think you all understand this lesson. See you tomorrow, children. Thank you. Bye. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.